How to fix Shopify. This store cannot accept payments right now. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix Shopify. This store can't accept payments right now. First, open your Play Store and search for the Shopify app. Now check if your app is up to date. If not, tap on Update to install the latest version. Next, open your mobile settings and tap on Connections. Here, ensure your internet connection is stable. Turn off your Wi-Fi, wait for a few seconds, and turn it back on. Now, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll until you find Shopify and tap on it. Now tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Then tap on Clear Data to refresh the app's data. Next, go back and tap on Software Update under your phone settings. Ensure your device is updated to the latest software. Tap on Download and install if an update is available. Finally, restart your device and check if the issue is resolved.